in today's video, I'm going to be showing you some Flex City Voice Online promo codes working in 2025. You can use these right now, and this is the easiest method on how to get free gold in Voice Online. And this is also going to get you other things as well. You can get Voice Box and everything unlocks as well. So it's going to unlock all the cars and pretty much everything. So it's going to save you a ton of money because, yeah, the gold and stuff is not cheap in this game. But yeah, I spent hours this morning searching for Flex City Voice Online promo codes, and I'm going to show you now where you can go ahead and grab your very own, and it's going to supply you with free gold and lots of other things. So let's get into it. You need to use your mobile. So open up the internet browser on your phone. It doesn't matter if you're on iPhone or if you're an Android user. Just open up the internet. Of course, have an internet connection. And go to www.robotcoupons.com. So I'm just going to type that in there, robot coupons. And this is an awesome site, guys. Like I said, I searched for hours this morning. I tried a bunch of different Voice Online promo codes, and these were the best ones that I found. So you just need to search for, I'm just going to search for Flex City Voice Online, and it should pop up, guys. Here we go, promo codes there. Click on this, so find this page, guys, and as I mentioned, there's a few different Voice Online promo codes that you can choose between. You can get 100,000 free gold in Voice Online, you can get 1 million free Voice Box, and you can unlock everything. So that's basically gonna allow you to unlock all of the cars and everything. I've not used that one yet, simply because I don't want to ruin the game. I have used these ones because I don't mind using them, but this one will basically unlock everything. So what is the point? But you can do that if you want. So basically select the code you want. Now, the codes are protected, guys. This basically limits how many codes you can get. So if you're coming on here wanting 1 billion free gold, you can only get one code for 100,000. So you're going to need to unlock your personal code, guys. Now, these Voice Online promo codes to unlock do take a few minutes, but it is well worth it considering the price of gold now. So yeah, you're going to see this code unlocker, and you need to follow the instructions on this page to go ahead and unlock your code. So you need to complete 2 tasks. They're all completely free, and these are usually things like surveys or mobile games. And there is a description below telling you what you need to do. So this one is a survey. Well, you have to answer questions and put in valid email and what have you. This one is basically a mobile game where you have to install the game and complete level 7. So you basically click on it and get it from the App Store and just play it until level 7. So fully complete 2 of them, guys. And once you've done that, oops, I just clicked on one. Once you've done that, it'll redirect you back to Robot Coupons, and whatever code you chose will be fully unlocked. Obviously, I just skipped forward, but yeah. In that case, if you chose the gold, your gold Voice Online promo code will be revealed, and you can enter it in-game, and this can supply you with your free gold. So that is it, guys. Pretty easy. By far the best codes. So you just got to go to Robot Coupons, search for your Flex City Voice Online promo codes, select which code you want, and unlock your code. Make sure you fully complete these steps, and enjoy, guys.